everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So I want to thank Pizazz Hair for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this beautiful 5x5 water wave 24-inch curly hair. Okay. It looks so good. She's so beautiful. She gives me all summertime vibes, okay? Just giving me denim shorts and white t-shirts, crop tops, fringes, platform tennis shoes. You know, all that fun stuff that you do in the summer, all that shit you wear in the summer. Yes, put it with this wig. Yes, this hair is so beautiful, you guys. It's so soft. It is so freaking soft. It did not tangle up on me at all. I think it's about 150% density. I'm not sure. Check the description box for all that information. But I know she is beautiful. We even have some hair left over in the back. A lot of hair in the back. So we're not lacking in this area at all. The lace looks so good, you guys. I did pluck the edges though. I did pluck it. Anyway, if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming on my channel, and let's get into this video. Alright, so we are here with a Pizazz hair wig today. So this is a 5x5 water wig. So this is what the wig structure is looking like. It is already pre-cut for us. I'm definitely gonna need to put some like foundation or powder on the lace because it's very, very light. But you have an adjustable strap here. You have 4 combs and adjustable straps on the side, extra lace at the bottom. So the curls look very, very good. I'm not sure the density on this hair, but I'd say 150. It's like 150%. It's 24 inches. Zoom in on the ends. The ends look very, very good. Yes, so this one's gonna be easy to install. So let's go ahead and get into this baby. All right, you guys, so I am done with the wig. It turned out beautifully, of course. I'm dead. Who do I think I am? Anyway, the lace turned out very, very good. It looks so natural. The curls are beautiful. It's very, very light. I must say that. This hair is so light. It is a Water Wave 24-inch 5x5 closure. I love how it's so light because if I decide to go swimming or get it wet, it's not going to be weighing me down, all that. Oh. But yes, it looks very, very good. I love it. Honestly, it wasn't tangling up on me at all as well. Very little shedding. I mean, it's curly hair, so you should expect some shedding, but it was like really none. I plucked the lace here, so I had a little shedding from that, but that was intentional. So it looks really, really good, you guys. This is honestly like all gas, no brake. This hair is fire. This is gonna be a summertime curly wig. All I did was put water in it, and this is how it turned out. I feel like it looks very, very good for just water and a little air dry. Like, what? This hair looks very, very good. Make sure you guys check out Pizazz Hair. I will have all their information in the description box below. Thank you again, Pizazz Hair, for sponsoring this video today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.